if you are a regular or new visitor to the Pune, or maybe you are just traveling to Pune for first time, so kindly be aware, particularly if you are a user of Uber, Ola, or Rapid, or any of these types of app applications. So you need to be careful that you will have to pay the travel charges or the fares as per the meter and not as per the app rates. Okay, so this is a completely different problem. So it's just a cautionary for those who are visiting. But this video I'm creating is for a business opportunity for those who can work on this area. This is a kind of new problem of new age where maybe you can create some application or some kind of business model where it will create a win-win for both the customers, for the drivers, and for the company. And there is no limitations like these existing apps where the dependency. So this current model is very asset-light model. So that's definitely a good point for this kind of application. But if you can come up with a new business model or a new business venture which can solve this problem, like it can be asset light, or even if it is asset light, but which is not dependent on the kind of the union of auto drivers or car drivers. It is not dependent on it, because now whatever this is happening, this is because of their association, because of their unions, and all those problems existing with this kind of business model, because they are using assets by these people. So obviously the dependency is on the this kind of assets. But if you can like look even backwards into the previous travel companies which used to own different types of assets, and they used to provide travel support. So something which can be a hybrid model of those two worlds would be a new age business opportunity for people. So if you are trying to explore this, please do explore this opportunity, because this is definitely can overcome and create a separate business entity for themselves, create a separate market for themselves. So do let me know your thoughts, or any ideas that you have, or anything you want to share related to this aspect. That's all for now. See you again.